Hi everyone, so I'll be showing you today how to replace the turn signal bulb on the Chevrolet Equinox, I believe from 2010 to probably 2015 or 16 models. So basically, when you turn on your right signal, for example in my case it does like this, so which tells me that there's something wrong with the bulb, the indicator bulb. So just watch, for example, you see it blinked slowly like 2-3 times, and then now it's blinking fast. So this is a sign that the bulb is burnt out, so we need to replace the bulb. So I'll show you step by step how to do that. To access the turn signal, you have to remove this tire. It's a bit tough to access that area. So first you remove this cover to access the bulb, and also you can change the headlight from here. So you need this Allen keys and open this. So when you use the headlight, the low beam, so you remove this cover if you have to replace the headlight, but we are replacing the turn signal, which is located just in here. This one is the turn signal. To access that, we have to remove this cover. Now we have a little bit space to turn that. If it's not turning, you have to use a screwdriver or something, and you push a little bit towards left. Make sure don't damage the wires. Push with the screwdriver, then it will open. So let me do that. So as you can see, it's out now. So I've taken it out. Here it is. So you just need to install the bulb in here. So this is the bulb number, the indicator or the signal bulb 7444NA. So you will need this. So we installed the new bulb, but now we will turn on to make sure it's working. So as we can see, it's working good. Okay, to put the bulb back in, you need to push on this plastic piece, and that's after that it can go in. It will go in. Otherwise it's pretty tight in this space. So you push it in, and then it goes in. Just turn it right. So I can see now it's locked in place. It's tight now. Yeah, so which is good. Make sure it's locked in so it doesn't come out. So now you will put the headlight, the low beam light cover back here. So then you put the headlight cover and just make sure it's locked. Yeah, like this. So then we put the screw back in. So now we can see it's working as it should. And thanks for watching.